Vectors, question 3. A boat can travel at a speed of 3 meters per second in still water. In what direction must it be steered if it is to travel straight across a river flowing at 1 meter per second? Well, in this case I'm going to start with my resultant arrow, which will go straight across the river, and I'll call that R. The river is flowing at 1 meter per second, and I'll say that's in this direction. And now the arrow which must produce this resultant will go from here to here. So I add my 3 meter per second arrow here. So now I've ended up with a vector triangle with my 3 meters per second arrow here, joined tail to tip with a 1 meter per second arrow, the resultant then starting from the tail of one vector arrow to the tip of the other vector arrow. This is the angle theta I'm going to find. Well, to find theta, I know that sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which in this case is 1 over 3, meaning theta is 19.5 degrees. So I can say that the boat will steer at an angle of 19.5 degrees upstream of straight across the river. Now I'm asked to find what is the speed of the boat relative to the bank, the size of R. And for this I can use Pythagoras, and I know that 3 squared minus 1 squared must equal R squared. And so R is 2.8 meters per second.